Hello guys, this is your friend Sai Patil, and once again to provide you some precious knowledge, I am here at your service. So guys, this is the second video which I am making. Let me tell you, the first part of this video was actually had some technical fault, so I have to delete it from YouTube, and this is again the recreation of that same video. So once again, let's watch it. Okay, so let's begin. In our previous video, we had spoken about two parts of speech, that is verb and adverb, and today we are going to speak about two more parts of speech, that is adjective and conjunction. Okay, so let's begin. First, adjective. Now let's go with definition. What is adjective exactly? Adjective here means anything that describes or qualifies the noun or pronoun is called adjective. I know you must have got confused. Let me tell you in a simple language. What is adjective? Basically, which tells you something more about the subject or anything is called adjective. You get me? Adjective means something which tells you in detail about it more than what we know about it. Okay. So let's not stress much on definition. Let's go for example. Okay. Have a watch on your screen. The example here is Rahul is fast runner. Now, before explaining you example, let me tell you, you may get confused between adjective and adverb because both of them are somewhat similar. There is a thin line of difference between both of them. So you may get confused. Now focus on this sentence and I'll tell you the difference between both. Rahul is fast runner. Do you remember my previous video in which adverb I had given you one example saying that Rahul runs very fast? Understand? Now here Rahul runs very fast becomes an adverb, whereas Rahul is a fast runner becomes an adjective. Now you got confused because there is a very thin line of difference between both. Both are different sentences with different meaning, but the sentence sounds like similar. And in this situation, it is nothing but adjective. Now, what is the difference between adverb and adjective? Adverb, as I told you in the previous video, there are 5 rules. What are those? How, where, when, how much, and how often. Whereas in adjective, there is no such rule applied. And so, when I say that Rahul is a very fast runner, becomes an adverb because here the rule applied. How does Rahul run? He runs fast. But when I say Rahul runs fast, it's an adverb, and when I say Rahul is a fast runner, it becomes adjective because here no rule is applied. It is directly telling you some detail of Rahul. What is that detail? That Rahul is a fast runner. Detail that Rahul is a fast runner. Whereas in adverb sentence, what will make it is Rahul runs fast. Now Rahul runs fast is not telling you something more about Rahul. It is telling you how does Rahul run. How does Rahul run? It is adverb. Whereas I am saying Rahul is a fast runner. When I am saying Rahul is a fast runner, it becomes adjective. It's giving you more detail. It's qualifying the noun. You understand? One more example on your screen. I'll make it very clear. Rahul is smart at handling situations. Okay, now again I told you may get confused between adverb and adjective. Now what will be the adverb sentence of this? Rahul smartly handles the situation. Focus on the word smartly. How does Rahul handles the situation? Rahul handles the situation smartly. Now what is this sentence? This adverb. I am not talking about adjective. I am talking about adverb. What is the rule of adverb? How, where, when, how much, and how often. So here the rule applied is how. So what it will be? Adverb. Whereas now when I'm telling you about adjective, it will be Rahul is smart at handling situation. Now you get me. Now focus on this sentence. Rahul is smart at handling situation. That means it is not telling you any how, where, when, how much, how often. It is directly telling you his quality. It is describing his quality in more detailed manner. That is, Rahul is smart at handling situation, which describes his overall personality, overall quality. You get me the difference between adverb and adjective? Don't get confused. Write down both the sentences and try to compare. And remember the 5 rules of adverbs which I have told you. Okay. One more example on the screen and have a look. An obnoxious person. Now, this is a very simple example, nothing to stress. Person is there. Any normal person on the road walking is a person. When I'm describing the person's personality or the character, when that time what I'm doing, I'm telling you something more detail about it. Detailing is important. An obnoxious person. Now person, many persons are there. On the road you see many are there. But I am describing one person's quality, one character. It is an obnoxious person. One more example, an red apple. An red apple here becomes telling you something detail about the apple. We know we know that apple is there. We all eat apple. But now in this sentence, I'm telling you the color of the apple. Now you will say color is only one, red. Yes, but I'm describing that apple. Color is red, we all know. But I'm specially describing it. It is not just apple. In the place of red, if I say a sweet apple, so what I'm doing, I'm telling the quality of the apple. Describing the quality means adjective. Describing quality and telling you something more about it, something detailed about it is an adjective. Okay, you get me? If you are confused, again go back to the video and watch it. So let's move to the next. What is that? Conjunction. Yes. Now what is the basic definition of conjunction? The moment you listen to the word conjunction, try to remember it is synonym word of connection. Conjunction, connection. Conjunction, connection. Conjunction means a one word which connects the sentence or which forms the sentence is called conjunction. Okay, before again we'll not stress much on definition. We'll directly go for the examples. Have a look on your screen. I need a book and a pen. I need a book and a pen. Now what is the conjunction here used? You can tell me. As I told you, a word which connects all the sentence or forms or gives a proper formation to that sentence is conjunction. Now, I need a book and a pen. Here and becomes the conjunction. Why? Just for a second you imagine that if I remove that end word, what will be the sentence formed? It will be totally dull. I want book pen. I want book pen. Does it make any sense? Little somewhere the charm of that sentence goes down. The moment I said I need a book and a pen. So that and works here as formation of sentence in a proper manner. And it is called conjunction. If you get confused between conjunction and what is the conjunction definition, no need to remember the definition. Just remember synonym word of conjunction is connection. Any word which connects the sentence or forms the sentence properly, it is conjunction. One more example on your screen, have a watch. He could not attend the party. He could not attend the party. Focus on the sentence. He could not attend the party because he was busy. Now you get me. Now what is the conjunction? You yourself must have guessed it. Yes, you're right. Because. Why because? Because if I remove that because somewhere aside, just imagine if I say he could not attend the party, he was busy. It forms a sentence, but the filling of the sentence somewhere remains incomplete. If I don't use that because word, sentence somewhere remains incomplete. And for that, to connect the sentence or give a conjunction or to give a conjunction to that sentence, I have to use because. He could not attend the party because he was busy. So that is because word X here as in conjunction. Okay, one more example on your screen, very simple. You will not succeed unless you work hard, or you will not succeed unless you struggle. Now, you will not succeed, you struggle. See, I am saying you will not succeed, you struggle. Does it make any sense? The sentence somewhere becomes dull. No charm for that sentence. But moment I say you will not succeed unless you struggle. So that unless word acts here as an conjunction. The formation of sentence is now proper when I use a conjunction. So this conjunction is nothing but connects the sentence or forms the sentence in a proper manner. The last example of conjunction on the screen, have a look. He tried but he could not win. He tried but he could not win. Now what is the conjunction? Yes, you have guessed it right. It is but. Why but? Because he tried, could not win. See, I am saying he tried, could not win. Does it make any sense? No. The sentence becomes here little dull. Why dull? No charm in the sentence because some word is missing. Some word is missing. What is that word? But. He could not win. He tried, but he could not win. But that one word in this sentence, that word which acts as a conjunction, gives a proper formation to the sentence or connects the sentence, which we normally call it as conjunction. Now you get me, dear viewers. So again, go back to the video, pause it, jot it down, practice, and that is how you will excel in this English field. Okay, dear viewers, and for now, let me tell you, it's a wrap on this video, and again I will come with the next video with 2 more parts of speech. Till then, see you. Bye.